guys. Sobrang lakas na ng mga hangin sa labas. At pakiramdam ko, any moment, makakat na yung kuryente, guys. I think any moment from now, the electricity will be cut. So I need to cook while we still have electricity. Because later, when the electricity will cut, I'm not gonna able to see properly because, you know, it will get dark. Outside, it's so windy. I'm getting scared. Oh, the tree over there, it's like, I'm gonna show it to you guys. And I'm also charging my phone. My phone is 51% right now. I'm gonna show it, ha. Win, ha. Look at that, oh. Look at the tree. Hello, everyone. It's Typhoon, Super Typhoon 1, and we're signal number 3. I checked the weather. It said later at 5 p.m. going to rain so much. And so much rain, and then what do you call this? Wind. So I'm preparing to cook. This is for our dinner because we don't have flashlight here and any candle because I don't have money right now. Gusto talaga ng hangin sa labas, guys. Kinakabahan ako. Kasi wala yung asawa ko dito, guys. Pumasok sa trabaho. Hindi naman siya bumabaha dito, guys. Kasi lang yung hangin ba. Hindi naman sana. No. Umipad yung bubong or ano.